playground, guys. So here's the view. So guys, dito pala sa the park playground, this is a free playground, free park, pero meron siyang parking fee. So nagpa-park na kami ng sasakyan. So we found a spot, medyo malapit lang din dun sa park. And let's go. Are you excited, both of you?
Yep, we're already out of our seat.
Yeah.
Mommy, I'm gonna hold Mommy's hand.
Oh, you hold mommy's hands. So this is where you pay for the parking slot.
We already.
Ayun yung pod. Malapit lang naman. Dun sa aming pinag-parkingan.
Ooh, tree.
So he is paying for the parking fee. Come on, Kali, don't go far.
It's not even that far. Come on.
Yeah. I put it back, Alexi.
Look, guys, we found a rock.
Oh, you put it back there. Alex, wait. Do not run. Yan. So, sabi dito, pwede rin daw yung mga bikes. Ang init ng pagpe-playground nyo. So, this is the pod playground. Meron siyang entrance dito. So, guys, ito yung overview. Yung deck, oh. May magandang view. You can go there. Tapos, meron siyang free water station. Yeah. And look, there's also a water for your pets there. Diba? So, pwede rin siya sa... Oh, sorry. Where's your dad?
He's in there.
Ah, okay. So, this is the entryway.
What? No, Mom.
See?
Mom, they look like mushrooms.
Let's go in.
No,
wanna eat?
Yeah.
Come on.
Here, so you can eat it later.
You have to finish it first.
You have yours, and we have ours.
Is it yummy? You like it?
Yeah.
If you get thirsty, there's a water fountain right there, okay?
Mom, you're the one that's giving us food, okay? He's a sloth.
Yeah, you're really like a sloth.
Oh.
Again. How do you do it? Wow.
Oh.
How about you, Khaleesi?
I'll get on this sloth.
Okay.
I need to go higher. The sloths are not just...
Oh, careful ha, careful. Ayan. So, nandito na kami guys sa aming parking slot. So, that's the experience. So, guys, that's our trip to Canberra. Maganda yung view dito. Kung i-rate ko, it exceeded my expectation. Akala ko, playground lang siya, pero meron siyang mga magagandang view deck. And,
Also like a balcony.
yeah. Sabi ni Kali, it's like a balcony daw. So, may mga nagpipiknik din. May mga nagpipiknik din na mga naglalatag dun sa grass ng mga parang picnic mat. Playground naman, parang simple lang yung mga palaruan ng mga bata. Pero ang taas nung hindi siya pwede sa little kids. Siguro pag mag-little kids kayo, dapat kasamahan ng parent yung yung bata dun sa loob. Pero sulit naman na kaya nung dalawa na umakyat ng sila lang. Si Alex nung umakyat, nagtanggal ng sapatos at saka medyos, iniwanan niya yung medyos nito sa taas. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, balikan mo. So yun, binalikan naman niya, tapos kinuha niya din yung socks niya dun sa taas. Sa dami ng tao dun sa kinainan namin kanina, parang halos same lang nung nagpunta kami ng Snowy Mountains. Ganun lang din kadami yung tao. Tapos bugso-bugso din yung tao kasi yung seating time, 11:30, 1:30, may mga ganun silang, may mga oras sila. So, kapag ganun, kakasimula pa lang nung pag-open, ng panibagong seating time, yun, maraming tao. Pero, unti-unti naman silang maalis. Yung iba kasi mabilis lang din kumain. So, kami naman, halos sinulit namin yung 2 hours namin yung 120 minutes namin na stay doon. Tapos, dito naman sa playground na pinuntahan namin. Park pala to. So, para siyang museum ng mga bonsai at saka iba't ibang klaseng mga plants and flowers na So, hindi namin masyadong nilibot yung area na yun kasi nga 1 hour lang yung inalat namin na oras para maipasyal. Kasi ang goal lang naman namin ay maipasyal yung mga bata. Makapaglaro yung mga bata. So, yan, definitely worth it na balikan in the future na pag nagawin ulit kami dito. Hindi ko alam kung makakapasyal kami dito ng winter. So, what is it?
Can you film us in my screen?
Oh, yeah, of course. So, ayun. Worth it na balikan. Pag nagawi kami sa Canberra, babalikan namin to. Kasi safe siya kasi may fence naman yung playground. Tapos yeah, it's fenced. And maganda yung view deck niya. So, pag pupunta kami dito, baka mag-picnic kami. Kasi marami siyang mga picnic area, picnic spot eh. Tapos, ang ganda nung overlooking kasi kita mo yung, parang city ba yun? Parang kita mo yung Tapos, ang dami yung mga halaman, mga trees, mga ganyan. Tapos, mga bushes. Parang nakaplant talaga yung pagkakatanim kasi nakahanay sila like this. Oh. Yeah, like this. Yan. Diba? So, yun guys, yung placement ng mga nung mga halaman nila, yung mga trees nila is parang talagang pinag-isipan. Tapos meron din siyang maliit na lake. Here. So, ayun ba, guys, we are going back na to Sydney. Pabalik na kami. So, sabi dito, it's 2 hours and 35 minutes yung biyahe namin. Mga bata ayaw pa umuwi. Nag-enjoy na dito sa Canberra. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa BP. Magpapapetrol muna tayo.
Alexi's awake.
Yeah, Alexis awake already. Say hi! So yan, magpapetrol muna tayo kasi ayan si Daddy nagpe-petrol. Ayun guys, so enjoy naman namin yung biyahe. Maganda yung views na nakita namin kanina. Si Daddy nakapag-relax siya. Kasi para sa kanya yung long drive na ganito na. Long drive, peaceful yung driving, smooth yung biyahe. Para sa kanya, ano to, relaxing.
I miss going to Hungry Jack.
Yeah.
I love that blue place.
Yan.
I wish we could go to Hungry Jack.
So, ayun ko hindi kami magsasaboy. Baka mag-Hungry Jacks kami. Kasi mag-CR din kami ni Daddy sa loob. So, bababa kami lahat kasi hindi pwedeng iwanan yung mga bata dito sa kotse, of course.
And can we go to the play place?
Magpe-play place pa kayo kahit kaka-play nyo lang kanina?
Yeah, it's fine. We're still energetic. We just got a break for a long time.
Kasi si Daddy ayaw niya ng gabihin tayo sa biyahe. You still have to do your assignment, Kalisi.
Oh, I can do it after dinner.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's
I
see.
always do it after dinner anyways. Paul.
Yeah. So, sleep early tayo tonight ha, Kalisi, kasi tomorrow is another big day.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Also,
yun lang
let's
guys.
say-
Andito kami sa, stretching ng konti kasi ilang oras na rin kami
What's
nagbabiyahe.
Why do we have a bit? Oh yeah, I forgot where you're having a picnic. Mom, don't forget to let the viewers see where you're going today,
Mhm.
because you have to always give them an update every single day of what you're doing,
Mhm.
so it can be famous. That's something.
Kali, why do you want to be famous?
Because I want people to be bringing us autographs and we have to sign them.
Oh, you want, gusto daw niya mag-sign ng autograph. Sabi ni Kalisi, gusto daw niya maging famous.
That way we're rich.
What?
Hungry na daw sila.
KFC?
Ano bang meron?
May KFC doon sa dulo.
Okay.
Hungry
Wake
Jacks.
up. Wake up.
So guys, dito tayo sa Kentucky. KFC ang binagsakan natin. So we're going to order. Where do you want to sit? Okay? Let's just wait for that. So kita nyo guys, yung KFC nila merong charger dun sa lamesa.
They are seats.
Yeah, merong MagSafe. See? Charging yung phone ni Daddy.
It's a wireless charger, just like yours.
Yeah, it's a wireless charger just like mine.
But yours needs
So ano kaya ang ating kakainin for today?
French fries and chitlins.
Guys, tinan nyo kung gaano kalungkot dito yung KFC. Nag-order kami ng 10 chicken. Tapos tingnan nyo yung gravy. And yung gravy guys, hindi siya free. Kapalit niya ay mashed potato. Pero ganito lang siya kaliit. Para sa 10 chicken.
I want mashed potato.
Diba? Eh di wow. Thank you. Wow.
I had to only choose one, but there's a lot of gifts inside. And there's a
Wow.
book.
Thank
There's a letter
you.
inside.
Oh, there's a letter inside. Dear Mom, thank you for taking care of me. You are the best. Happy Mother's Day from Khaleesi to Mommy. I love you. Aww. Kiss muna si Mommy. Kiss muna. Wow, so sweet naman. And let me see. This gift is from Khaleesi and thank you for helping me grow. I love you always. From Khaleesi to Mom. Aww.
It says XOS.
Oh, it says XOS. Wow, so sweet naman ni ate. Wow. Napaka-sweet naman yan.
To unbox